Did you know there's a skyscraper in New York that was built without a single nail? This is the Woolworth Building, completed in 1913, and it was once the tallest building in the world at 792 feet. But what most people don't know is that during its construction, the building was assembled entirely using rivets instead of nails. Rivets were heated until they were red hot and then hammered into place, locking the steel beams together as they cooled. This method made the Woolworth Building incredibly strong and flexible, allowing it to withstand strong winds and even earthquakes. The building's Gothic design, with its cathedral-like spires and detailed terracotta facade, led people to call it the Cathedral of Commerce. It was also one of the first skyscrapers to have its own power plant, elevators, and a swimming pool in the basement. Even over 100 years later, the Woolworth Building stands as a symbol of New York's engineering brilliance.